channel grow. Every subscriber makes Panda and Liza smile. Do you like butter? Yes, I do. Do you like mash? Yes, I do. Do you like sweet potato mash? Yes, I do. So smooth and warm. Yes, I do. Do you like coffee? Yes, I do. Do you like ranch? Yes, I do. Do you like coffee in the rain? Yes, I do. Feels so calm. Yes, I do. Do you like blankets? Yes, I do. Do you like books? Yes, I do. Do you like reading by the fire? Yes, I do. So cozy. Yes, I do. Do you like apples? Yes, I do. Do you like pie? Yes, I do. Do you like apple pie? Yes, I do. Yummy! Yes, I do. Do you like pumpkins? Yes, I do. Do you like soup? Yes, I do. Do you like pumpkin soup? Yes, I do. Warm and nice. Yes, I do. Do you like chocolate? Yes, I do. Do you like hot drinks? Yes, I do. Do you like hot chocolate? Hey, yes, I do. So cozy. So cozy. Yes, I do. Do you like turkey? Yes, I do. Do you like gravy? Yes, I do. Do you like turkey with gravy? No, I don't. Too sticky? No, I don't. Do you like pumpkins? Yes, I do. Do you like pie? Yes, I do. Do you like pumpkin pie? Yes, I do. So yummy. Yes, I do. Sweet potatoes? Yes, I do too. Do you like marshmallows? Yes, I do too. Do you like sweet potato mash? No, I don't. Too splash. Mud? No, I don't. Happy Thanksgiving! Thank you, friends. Thank you too. Thankful hearts for me and you. Let's eat, let's dance and sing hooray. Do you like rain? Yes, I do. Do you like mud? No, I don't. Do you like jumping in the rain? Yes, I do. Splash again. Yes, I do. Do you like trees? Yes, I do. Do you like rakes? No, I don't. Do you like falling leaves around? Yes, I do. They swirl and sound. Yes, I do. Do you like cocoa? Yes, I do. Do you like cold wind? No, I don't. Do you like cozy fires at night? Yes, I do. Warm and bright. Yes, I do.